Okay, hi everybody. Already we learnt about the importance of carbon dioxide. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of chlorophyll or presence of starch in a leaf. In this experiment, what we require? In this experiment, okay, we require one variegated plant. What is the variegated plant? The variegated plant having different color zones. That means it is not a same color. The total leaf is not a same color. It is a variegated means what we are observed some patches, color zone, different color zones in a leaf. That is we can call variegated leaf. One okay, you have to choose for these one croton plant or money plant. If you observe the croton plant and money plant, okay, that is having in variegated leaf. In that you have to choose one variegated plant and also what okay, especially for what are the operators we require. Okay, variegated leaf, beaker, water, okay, alcohol, iodine solution, and Bunsen burner, which is required to burn, okay, which is required to provide the heat. And okay, procedure. What is the procedure? First of all, we have to choose what type of plants. We have to choose croton or money plant. Who are having money plant more in their home, having more money, somebody believe like that. But here you have to choose a money plant. You know very well about what is money plant. Money plant, if you observe the money plant, the leaf is variegated. What is variegated? It is not in equal color. The total leaf is not in green color. Some patches, some yellow patches, some brown patches we are observed. That is we can call variegated leaf. Choose one variegated plant. And after that one, what we have to do, whatever potted plant we choose, that one you have to keep in dark room, destarching. Why we have to do destarch? To remove what we are removing, starch. How we are removing? To keep in dark room. Why we have to keep in dark room? To, if you kept in dark room, what will be happen? Whatever starch is there already, whatever starch prepared in that plant, whatever food is prepared, that is utilized for various functions. In dark room, photosynthesis is not occurs. Why photosynthesis not occurs in dark room? Why? Because in light is absent in that dark room. Okay, first we choose one variegated plant. After that one, we did what? Destarch. After destarching, what we had to keep that water potted plant, whatever variegated plant we took, that one you have to keep in presence of sunlight. After sunlight, okay, 2 to 3 hours. Okay, third step, what we have to do? Keep in presence of sunlight. Okay, in after keeping presence of sunlight, what we had to do? We had to, okay, pluck one leaf. Okay, just you have to take one leaf. Okay, take one leaf, this which is variegated. Variegated means what? It is not equal color. We are observed different color zones. Not totally leaf is not in same in color. Okay, and now, and the way does the, okay, different patches, that means different color, you have to mark that one using with pen. You have to mark. And now what we have to do in fifth step, boil the water. Take some water in a beaker. Take a water in a beaker. Take some water in a beaker. Provide heat. Provide heat. Okay, and boil the leaf. Whatever we plucked. Okay, that one, whatever leaf is there, that is you have to boil that one. Why we had to boiling? Why we had to do the boiling the leaf? If you do the boiling, whatever chlorophyll is there, to remove the chlorophyll, that means to remove the green color. Okay, it is now, it is turned into colorless. Now it is turned into colorless. Okay, now it is turned into colorless. Okay, now after colorless, okay, what we have to do? Same leaf, whatever we leaf, that one you have to immerse in, okay, take some alcohol, immerse in alcohol. Whatever leaf, immerse in alcohol. After immersing in alcohol, this is what? Alcohol. Slightly boil that alcohol and keep that one in beaker again. Keep that one in beaker again, and after that one, after keeping in alcohol 2 to 3 minutes, after keeping 2 to 3 minutes, again you have to take whatever we kept in alcohol, that variegated leaf, which is colorless. Why? Because it is colorless. Why? We kept that one in water, boiling water. After boiling water, in alcohol, we immersed in alcohol. After immersing in alcohol, we have to separate the leaf and pour some iodine drops. Pour some iodine drops. If you pour some iodine drops, we will observe the leaf, wherever the leaf is. Okay, for example, we observed wherever the green parts is there. Try to understand. Focus this. Wherever the green parts is there, only that green parts only turn into blue or blackish color. Only wherever the green parts is there, the green part of the leaf, only the green part of the leaf, only green part of the leaf turn into blue or blackish color. Blue or blackish color. Remaining part, wherever the patches is there, yellow patches, wherever the yellow patches, that is not turned into blue or blackish color. Remaining part, wherever the green part is there, the green part totally turned into blue or blackish color. Why? Because green part is totally turned into blue or blackish color. The green part, it is contain the chlorophyll. So that within 2 hours, after removing the D-starch, we kept that one in 2 hours in presence of sunlight. So that at the time of that, in that 2 hours, it prepared little bit food. That food is stored in green parts only. It is not transferred into wherever yellow patches. So that yellow patches are not turned into blue or blackish color. Only wherever the green part is there, only that part only turn into blue or blackish color. That is very, very important. So that finally you have to observe that here, this is the whatever after experiment we are observed, the green yellow patches are not turn into blue or blue color, and wherever the green color is there, turn into blue color. Why? Because in green color chlorophyll is present, so that chlorophyll is what especially useful to turn. In chlorophyll means in that carbohydrates are, it prepared carbohydrates, so that it is turned into blue or blackish color. Okay, this is the experiment of importance of chlorophyll or presence of starch in a leaf. Thank you.